Hiya knitters. This week, similar to last week, I'm just going over a couple of products that I think might help you in your knitting range. If you haven't seen these before, these are our interchangeable cable connectors. Now you get one set in each pack with a set of cable grips. This one was a large set. I've just thrown out the small ones as well so I can show you the full range. There's mainly two ways that you can use these. The first being, say if you had two similar size cables and you don't have a long cable but you don't want to buy a long cable, just get one of these, screw it in, just do loosely for now. There you go, you've made yourself a longer cable. Saves you having to buy larger cables. If you've already got a few smaller ones or a few different size ones, you can mix and match them to create the size you want for your project. It does, as you can see, come with the cable grips, so I will always recommend using these when tightening interchangeable, as it gives you that extra security. So yeah, that creates you a nice long cable. The other way you can use it is, say you're knitting a jumper and you're knitting in the round. If you secure all your stitches onto the cable and you want to check if you're doing it to the right size, put one on this side once all your stitches are secure on the cable, and then you can try on your garment that you're knitting and it's safe and secure, your stitches are fine, and it's a good way to just test halfway through that you've got your gauge right, that you're doing it the way you want it to, that it feels how you want it to. So yeah, get a very quick video about this, but once again it's something I've seen from you guys tagging us on Instagram or your videos you put on YouTube. A few people aren't aware about this, and if it can make your knitting life easier, happy to share it. As you can see, these are the large ones, which fit cables for tips between 5.5 and 10. The small ones are 2.75 to 5. We don't do any for our miniature range, so we do not do any for the pink cables. I hope this helps some of you. If it does, please let me know. As normal, like and subscribe below, send us your comments, keep tagging us and stuff. I love looking through all your images and videos of what you've made. And until next time, happy knitting!